up, guys? Today's video, we are headed over with the Dodge Dakota RT, and we're going to be getting a little bit of exhaust work done. So we'll talk a little bit more about it on the way. We're putting more Hellcat mufflers on that car. So we've already got the resonators on, but we're going to put the mid mufflers on there as well to give it that nice tone and just to kind of take the rasp off it a little bit. So let's go ahead, jump in the Dakota. Let's get out of here. So this is how noisy she is right now. It is extremely loud right now, so we're gonna try to knock that edge off a little bit, but still keep the sound. All right, guys, we've arrived. So let's get this thing up there and see what the plan is. Okay, so we're under the truck here, and it's gonna explain what's going on real quick. So if you guys have seen all the different videos, we've had this section, we've created a different section last time where we put two resonators here, but it made the drone worse. So we have the two rear resonators off Hellcat or scatpack, same part number here, and then we had our two catalytic converters here, and we have the mid mufflers off the Hellcat and scatpack here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the mid mufflers here and then move our cats up probably over here so that we can make room. We were trying to decide if we could put these two guys back here since resonators are technically supposed to be at the back, but there's really no room where we can hang this. So we're gonna go with this setup, and I'll try it out and see how she sounds. There's a progress so far. We got one down and welded in, and then we're just gonna do the other one. All right, let's see what she sounds like now. That sounds good, man. Still sounds good, but not too crazy, no? Yep. Alright guys, so we're doing a little test. We're gonna see how it sounds in here. It is a lot more tolerable inside for sure. Much more. Okay, so in here, it still sounds good. Alright, so it still has that Hellcat and scatpack sound without the rasp, which is exactly what I wanted. So here's with the windows up, you guys. It's quiet in here for the most part. It's tolerable, but trust me, back there, it's loud. Alright guys, so this is what she sounds like. Definitely still hear that chop, but it's just not crazy loud inside the truck, which is what I was going for. Still gets loud outside, watch. Muffler. So this thing is so much better, you guys. So it's a lot more tolerable in the cab, especially with the windows up. It does get rid of a lot of the drone, and it's still like it's still an aggressive sound, and especially when you get on it, it sounds as loud as you ever need. Like, it opens up when you step on it, but when you're just cruising, it's not making a bunch of noise and doesn't sound like the engine's laboring when you're just like trying to maintain speed, which was the issue before when we just put the Hellcat or scatpack resonators in on the exhaust system, because it was like seriously loud, and it had a lot of rasp to it and just like huge volume before. So I think this is the way to go if you guys are gonna consider something like this. But that's gonna pretty much do it for today's video, you guys. If you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and check out the other videos. You can see the other install video where we just installed the scatpack Hellcat mufflers, and I'm saying it that way because they're the same part number, and or I should say resonators. But I'll link that video as well. Check up above here or down in the description, and we'll see you guys on the next video.